Oh wow.
Want to take him out of the box?
You can take them out of the box. Yeah. Okay.
She likes the box. She wants to cuddle.
Go on, open that then.
Oh.
I want to open it. I want to
Nina,
open it.
start it off here. There. There.
I want to open it. I'm excited.
Did you, Bianca? Did you choose the wrapper?
Yeah, she did. She wanted that wrapper. The big one. The big one.
Oh, what have we got?
Hola.
What have we got?
I might
Oh.
as well just like take a
Okay.
Oh.
How many presents have you got?
What? She just throws it away.
Just toss it away. Yeah.
As soon as she. Oh.
Oh, this is mine. I like this
It's
one.
something.
What's that?
Coaster
Okay,
game.
we'll put it here. We'll put it here. Daddy can't get it then.
Aw, baby. Are you sure?
I'm gonna open.
Nina, help you there.
What have we got in that box?
That's coaster.
Oh. What's that?
Read play,
Oh.
magic play. Oh, what's
Oh,
that?
it's a book. Oh, it's my book.
Oh, that's nice. Wow.
Play it and read a story to you. I don't know how you
What's
do it.
that?
Nino
What's
did
that?
it. Yeah, tried it. I don't know how you did it. Yeah.
What's that, Paula? No.
I got
Oh,
some
we forgot to write that.
Oh, that's
Nino.
nice.
To Bianca.
Well,
Oh.
I've had a Christmas wrapped it up before.
Oh.
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 You're reading the
Story to you.
Oh, you like that, don't you? Oh, can I have?
For mommy and daddy.
Oh,
Yeah,
let daddy open it. Let daddy open
You
it.
want to open the present?
Let daddy open it. Let's have a look.
You have to open the
Oh, this is
present.
for Bianca as well.
Oh, another one.
Open it.
Oh,
What you got?
Shall I help you open it? Hang on.
you're spoiled.
Yeah.
She is kind of.
Yes.
What's
Oh,
this?
Oh, that's
I know, there's one person, but it's not ours. Again.
chocolate egg here.
Yeah, you've got plenty of chocolate.
Flip and catch game.
Hey, don't make a mess.
Let's play.
Begin by placing this coaster on the edge of a table.
Kuya.
I'll do it. Oh my god.
Decision. Oh.
Again?
Yeah, you've got plenty of chocolate. You've got plenty of chocolate now.
Already.
Oh, I
She
get
got
it.
chocolate
Hold
for her breakfast.
Oh. Yes.
Oh, you don't have to eat mine now. Eat your own.
Shall I open my present then,
Yes,
Bianca?
please, Ninang.
Open it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Is it?
Is it
Good.
fun?
Oh.
No, that's not yours.
Oh, look. That's nice.
Oh, what is it?
What is
I
it?
think it's a sock.
Soft. Oh, I can use it at night when
Yes.
it's cold. Yeah.
Oh.
Did you switch it on?
Ask Ninong to open his presents.
Where's Ninong's present?
Where's Ninong's present?
Oh. Yeah.
It's this one, man. Oh, are we sharing?
I think we need to write
I think yes, we're sharing yours, Ninong.
Yeah, we put Bianca's name there.
Ninang, there's another one behind you.
Oh, is this another one for
Yes.
Ninang? Oh. Genia for love, Bianca. It's from Bianca. Santa. Oh, this is nice. It's nice to have Christmas presents, isn't it?
Oh, what could that be?
That's a laptop call.
Christmas tree.
Christmas
yeah.
tree.
Christmas tree.
It's a laptop call.
Got a ribbon around the laptop. Got a ribbon around the laptop.
Oh, that's nice, Bianca.
Christmas. Letters. Oh, look at this.
monkey.
Who's this?
It's a monkey.
Who's this?
It's a monkey. No, it's a monkey.
Robin Redbreast. Yes. Yes. Robin. Yes.
Kasya kaya ate yan? Sana kasya, no? Size 12 yan eh.
Oh, kasi. Hindi pa naman ako masyadong malaki.
Huwag kang kakain ng marami, te.
Marami.
I'm glad you've got it.
Sweetheart?
Nagigigil ako na. Ang yabang kasi, nagigigil ako. Two Play-Doh.
Shall we take it out of the box? Shall we take it out of the box?
Ninong, open your present. Sweetheart?
I'm trying.
Mas excited pa siya, te.
Oh, just another one I've always wanted. Brown box.
Oh.
So those socks.
Is it Jackass?
No, artist.
Oh, no.
Oh, what a bigat for Ninong. Oh.
Oh, why not Ninong now? Because
Like a grandma's,
we're learning all.
Got Daddy to wear it.
Daddy wear it.
So that we all got one.
Santa Claus.
Oh. Look.
Wear it now, Ninong. Come on.
On the head.
I think
the head.
Hold it.
Pull it.
I don't know.
I don't want to have the head though.
maybe just push it through the hole. It seems to be doing a good job going.
Hey?
Yeah, cut the off inside.
It's going through.
Going through anyway.
Oh, it's your teddy bear.
There.
Hug your.
It's Athens. No.
Yay!
It's selfish.
Does it fit, Ninong, or is it too big?
Hey? You want to open this? Okay, we'll open it.
I can do it.
No!
What's Ninong doing?
Put on, you can't put it all in on.
I'm doing it.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's a bit chilly.
Whoa!
Too bad
That's
it's the
nice.
right Christmas
It's a
though.
coloring.
Oh!
Do you want to swap, Cole? Do you
Yeah.
want to swap?
Whoa! It fits, Ninong! Wow!
Crackers in there.
I know. Put the crackers in a minute.
For
Doing crackers,
everyone.
yeah.
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah, you can pull it. Yeah.
Later.
Yeah.
Later. Did you want your
Merry
box back?
Christmas!
This is a pajama case as well that you can cuddle in bed. Yeah?
Oh!
Yeah, you can cuddle that in bed.
Oh, that's nice.
Is it soft, baby?
It's a soft one. It's a nighttime one, yes.